Hi fellas, been a while. Version 1 of the Cooper's European Lager. Got it cracked open. I'll tell you what I did. Come back and taste it. I've got a version 2 about to bottle maybe next week, so let's give it a go. Cheers. Nice pop. Can of smoke. Sun's coming out for us. Now, what do I want from a lager? Want it bright, clear, highly carbonated, and not too bitter. So, clear as. It's got that Pilsner smell. I always put some kind of hops in these kits. This one's no different. So I brewed it on the 13th of the 3rd. So I used a cafetiere, the hot tea, 25 grams of Tettnanger at 80 degrees Celsius. So the kit plus a kilogram of table sugar. They say you shouldn't use table sugar, but we'll try this one. So start temperature was 17.1, a little bit high. I fermented at 14 degrees Celsius. Got an OG of 1.044. In my notes it looks light clear, smell not much. Taste sweet, should do because that's in the hydrometer sample obviously. So day 5 was 1.016. So I ramped the temperature up then to 20 degrees Celsius, diacytl rest. It finished at 1.008. I'll write these notes afterwards. So we got 4.7%. I was going to change the yeast, but what I did with these ones, this is the Cooper's standard kit yeast. So I had 2 tins, so I used both of them. So, and I bottled it with a teaspoon of table sugar. No, head's gone, but it's come back there. So, lovely looking. So, table sugar, here we go. Cheers, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do for the next version, which will be made a head-to-head. See, cheers. Well, it's light, it's refreshing. I don't get that, people say get off flavours, don't you, with the table sugar. Nothing wrong with that whatsoever. We heat up now, so just look there, so clear. As good as any shop bought beer, that easily. So that's version 1. Look out for version 2 coming up. So I may do a head-to-head with that one, and keep you updated on the other stuff. I bought a Cooper's Irish Stout. Never made the Irish Stout before, so I may do a video on that one, making it, or maybe just do a tasting test. So cheers. Hope everyone's okay. As I say, it's been a while. So keep well fellas, and catch you later.